Okay, Mheshimiwa, the High Court the Court of Appeal has already given out its decision. Do you intend to move to the Supreme Court to file an appeal?
Yes, it will depend with my lawyers here. First, I want to thank them for what they have been doing, and also they'll have to advise me on the next course of the action. So I think the lawyer is here, the best person placed to talk about the court.
Okay, maybe Wakili, tell us your view of the judgment. Do you intend to move to the Supreme Court to challenge this decision?
Yeah, okay, first of all, we are terribly disappointed with the decision of the Court of Appeal. A lot of the findings were contradictory. On the one hand, the court, in some respects, the court made the finding that it could not interfere with the factual findings of the High Court. But then it turns around and interferes with other findings of the High Court. The Court of Appeal accepted that the High Court was wrong in failing to take into account a video that demonstrated there was serious violence. The Court of Appeal agreed that that video should have been accepted, yet after accepting the video, says nothing about it. So clearly the findings are very irrational and contradictory, and we would strongly advise our clients to go to the Supreme Court. However, you will get a copy of the judgment, go through it together and consider going to the Supreme Court.
There was another view of the intimidation and coercing of the returning officer, which the judge dismissed that allegation. What's your view on that, considering that the High Court nullified the election on that ground?
That's one of the issues on which there is serious contradiction in the logic of the Court of Appeal. The Court of Appeal says we will not interfere with factual findings of the judge. But on this, they actually interfere with factual findings because the judge makes a factual finding that there was violence. Furthermore, the court says that agrees with us that there is video evidence that should have been admitted, but goes ahead to ignore it. So it's totally wrong for the court to have arrived at that decision, and particularly considering, in a way, then it is condoning violence and giving a nod to violence, that there can be violence in elections and there should be no problem about that. So it's really one of the reasons that we ought to go on appeal.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Mine is to congratulate Mheshimiwa Babu Owino. We always knew that he had won this seat legitimately, and that the powers that be, especially before the handshake, were trying to target Babu because of the very vocal nature in which he protected his party leader and his party Orange Democratic Movement. But we'd like to tell them that was the electioneering period. We have moved post-electioneering. Now we are in a new dispensation, and I want to encourage Babu Owino to go ahead, represent the people of Embakasi East and the youth of this country. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'm Babu Owino, Embakasi East Member of Parliament. First, I would like to thank the Almighty God for helping this case be a success. Secondly, I would like to thank my family for giving me the support, the moral support that they provided to enable us win the case. Thirdly, I would like to thank the judicial system. Finally, justice has been served. I would also like to thank my lawyers. To my lawyers, that was a wonderful job. Ms. Awele, Honorable James Orengo, and the IBC lawyer, Mr. Odhiambo. Congratulations and thank you very much. To the people of Embakasi East constituency, I would like to thank them very much, and I would like to let them know that they elected an intelligent and a competent leader who will serve their interest. I will serve you, the people of Embakasi East constituency. To the members of parliament who are here, starting with our Secretary General, Mr. Edwin Sifuna, thank you very much. Thank you very much, members of parliament who are here. To all Kenyans, I would like to thank you very much for the prayers that you offered, and may God bless all of you. I will serve you. I will extend an olive branch to serve you all. I would also like to congratulate Mheshimiwa Nyamai for winning our appeal. She is the chair of the Lands Committee. She is my chair lady of the Lands Committee, and congratulations, Mheshimiwa. To my opponents, I would like to urge them to wake up from the ground. They dust up and move forward. I invite them to come and help me serve the people of Embakasi East constituency. I know there's a time for everything, a time to be led and a time to lead. This is a time for my opponents to be led. Let them respect the people in power now, so that when their time comes, they can be respected back. And I believe that also in them there is leadership. We will not dismiss them as our opponents. I will embrace them, and I will pray that Almighty God one day to help them achieve their dreams in life. God bless Kenyans. Thank you very much and God bless everybody. Asanteni sana.